In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Jotform boards. If you're already collecting information with Jotform or you're just getting started, boards are a great way to visually organize and manage your data, a bit like a Kanban board or a project tracker. We'll go from opening the site all the way to choosing a ready-made template so you can hit the ground running. First, open your browser and head over to jotform.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar and press enter. Make sure you're signed in to your account so you can create and save your work. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and log in before you continue, otherwise you won't see the options we're about to use. Once you're on the Jotform dashboard, look for the button or link that says Create. This is usually near the top of the page, and it's where you start anything new in Jotform, whether it's a form, an app, or in this case, a board. I go ahead and click Create. This opens up a menu of different project types you can build. Today, I'll show you how to move from that Create menu into setting up a board specifically. In the list of options, you should see one labeled Board. Click on that. By choosing Board, you're telling Jotform that you want to organize data in a visual card-based layout rather than just building a new form. This is especially handy for tracking submissions, tasks, projects, or workflows in a way that's easy to see at a glance. After you click Board, Jotform will give you a few different ways to get started. At this stage, you can start from scratch, select an existing form, use a template, or import a board. Starting from scratch means you'll build the entire board layout yourself, column by column and field by field. Selecting a form lets you turn an existing form's submissions into cards on a board, which is great if you've already been collecting responses. Importing a board is useful if you have a board set up, saved, or shared that you want to reuse. For this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to get going, which is by using a template. On this screen, click Use Template. Templates are pre-built boards designed for common workflows like project management, customer pipelines, content calendars, and more. They save you time and give you a structure you can adjust instead of starting with a completely blank slate. Once you click Use Template, you'll see a gallery of different board templates. Take a moment to scroll through and look for one that matches what you want to manage. For example, you might see templates for managing leads, tracking tasks, planning events, or organizing applications. Each template usually shows a brief description and sometimes a preview of the columns it includes. When you find a template that looks close to what you need, click on it to open its details. Here, you can quickly review the layout to make sure it fits your process. If it does, click Use Template again to confirm. Jotform will then create a new board in your account based on that template. From there, you can rename it, customize the columns, and start adding or viewing cards. And that's the full process. You go to jotform.com, click Create, choose Board, and then pick and apply a template that matches your workflow.